I'm Dr. S. Isaias, very proud to be associated and leading this institution, the Paradise Residential School. It's a joy to see how the children make use of the little opportunities in the institution and flourish themselves and flower themselves into great individual personalities. Forward to introducing several programs and activities which are both academic and co-academic for the students to excel themselves and to stand as proud and tall individuals in the society.
So the main reason why we chose this school is we were trying to find some good school in and around Hosa Road. When we are getting a good education and an affordable price, so everybody will try to prefer the school. In the same way, we also preferred this.
We don't see any difference between extracurricular and academics. We balance both. We understand their cognitive skills and give them support in whatever they are good at, so that whether it is curricular activities or non-academic activities. So whichever they are interested in, we try to give focus on that.
My school is very eco-friendly and planting more trees.
And we as an institution, we are expected to evolve and adopt the latest technology that comes into the market, because the children are highly digitally educated and we need to match up with that. Do you desire a wholesome personality to be developed in your child? And I'm sure your destination is the paradise. We welcome you.